Hi, it's Sarah. We're still on the Green Smoothie Challenge, and I wanted to tell you now why spinach is such a key ingredient. So it's an absolute must-have when you are making smoothies. It's actually a food which is really fantastic for you. It's very high in chlorophyll, so anything that is that deep green colour is very high in chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll is really interesting because it is the molecule that in plants stores the energy from the sunlight and transforms it into energy that we can eat. So I think that's a pretty amazing function of nature to be able to do that. So when we're eating stuff which is that deep green, we are eating the sun's energy essentially, which I just think is amazing. The other lovely thing about chlorophyll is that its molecular structure is almost identical to hemoglobin, and that is part of how we nourish ourselves through our blood. Now, the difference between chlorophyll and hemoglobin is that hemoglobin has iron in the middle, but chlorophyll has magnesium in the middle. Otherwise, the molecule is exactly the same shape, which means that our blood can take on that molecule and use it and integrate it in and help with iron transportation, which helps with energy and nourishment in the body. So chlorophyll is really very deeply nourishing. And really fantastically good for you. Spinach has also been studied by Germans and found to be excellent for increasing appetite in convalescing people. It is also really good for IBS. It's very soothing to the gastrointestinal tract and indeed can be helpful for constipation. So spinach is fantastic. Unfortunately, I don't like spinach that much, not when it's cooked anyway. And my family, I find it very difficult to get cooked spinach into them. However, the good news is that with a green smoothie challenge, and spinach does sure look green, but it doesn't really taste of that much. So your smoothie, when it's mostly spinach and you put a peach in it, it'll taste peachy, which is good news. So you can get it into anybody. So please do stock up on lots and lots of spinach. It's fantastic. So your green smoothie should have a good 2 handfuls of spinach in there, and give yourself a real nutrient boost with this absolute key ingredient. Enjoy!